Hello everyone, welcome back to Master English World. Today, we are going to learn a very important grammar topic, assertive or declarative sentences. These are the sentence types we use the most in our daily conversation. So, let's start learning in a very simple way. What is an assertive or declarative sentence? An assertive sentence is a type of sentence that states a fact, opinion, or information clearly. It simply tells something. There's no question, no command, no strong emotion, just a statement. It ends with a full stop. Examples: the sun rises in the east. I love reading books. She is watching TV. Types of assertive sentences. There are two types: affirmative or positive assertive sentences. These express a positive idea. Example: he is a good student. Negative assertive sentences. These express a negative idea using not, never, no, nothing, etc. Example: he is not a careless person. How to identify an assertive sentence? Just check these 3 points. It gives information or expresses an opinion. It is not asking, commanding, or expressing emotion. It ends with a full stop. If all these are true, it is an assertive sentence. Few more examples. Positive: they play cricket every evening. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Negative: I do not like loud music. She never comes late to school. Quick exercise for audience. Tell me in the comments, which of the following is an assertive sentence? A. What are you doing? B. Close the door. C. I have completed my homework. And D. Hooray! We won the match. So this is all about assertive or declarative sentences. I hope you understood this topic clearly. In our next grammar lesson, we will learn interrogative sentences, how to ask questions in English correctly. So don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Master English World. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.